guys, I made it to my dad's. It's been a little bit and I'm here to open some PR packages and do some computer work as well. I just had an eye doctor appointment, which I didn't show you because she was obviously assessing me and doing a lot of stuff up close to my face and with my eyes, so I couldn't really vlog that. But my prescription hasn't changed. It was just like a regular checkup, and I'm also here waiting for a delivery from DHL. It's literally snowing outside. Oh my goodness. Wait, this is the first official snowfall that I'm actually seeing at home in the longest time. It didn't snow last year at all. It says light flurries. Look at this PR package I just received from Maybelline. Oh my goodness. This is the best candy ever, the Sugar Lips. Oh my yum. These are their new lip plumps that have chili pepper. Oh my goodness, these shades are so beautiful. Thank you guys so much, and I'm obsessed with everything about this. I haven't had these in so long. Now Maybelline just sent a whole box of them. And this is not what I needed, but I definitely want it, so. I need to show you guys what the snow is looking like outside. Oh my goodness! So yeah, I'm gonna go get my computer, sit down and do some work, and I'll see you guys when I'm about to post the giveaway. Now 4:15. All of my posts have been live for about 15 minutes and the feedback so far has been so incredible. You guys are just as excited for these giveaways as I am. I forgot to give you guys a little fit check earlier this morning. My jacket is from Mango. I got it the other day when I was in the city with Jordan. All of my jewelry is EP Jewels, of course. This thermal long sleeve top is from Brandy Melville, and my sweatpants are from Park. I think I wear something Park every single day, and I absolutely love her stuff so much. Side note, this jacket is so warm. You'd think that it's not heavy enough and warm enough, but I'm weirdly very warm. It might also be the combination of this thermal underneath, and that's the main reason why I love wearing thermals, because I don't have to bundle so many layers to stay warm. It's kind of a one and done deal, and I love everything about that. So if you live in colder climates, or if you have any winter trips coming up, definitely invest in some thermals and basic thermal tops, because they will be a game changer and keep you very warm during these cold months. So with that said, I'm gonna go downstairs. This package should be getting here within the next 5 minutes, and I'll see you guys when I'm opening it. Oh my goodness, you guys, we just received the package and this is what was inside. These are the iced jumbo letters from EP Jewels, and we got the full stock of A through Z. These letters are so incredibly beautiful, and they were inspired by the Hailey Bieber B that she's been wearing. They are so big and beautiful. I'm obsessed with how they came out, and I custom designed this font. And just look at that sparkle. I cannot get over it. This is what my mom and I were just working on. We rolled up all of the chains so that we can get them all in one shot like this. And here's a really good look at all of them together in one view. I'm just so obsessed, and again, these will be linked down below if you guys are interested. There are limited quantities, so be sure to shop while they are still available. This necklace is definitely one of my favorite EP Jewels pieces that I have designed. It's just so bold and it's such a statement piece, but yet you can still wear it on an everyday basis, and to have that customized personal feel because it is your letter, of course. So it's available now in A through Z. These were originally available for pre-order, but they are officially in stock. So if you guys are interested in gifting them to someone that you love or for yourself during this holiday season, be sure to check out the link down below, and I'll leave it on the screen, and you guys can use code HOLIDAY23 for 25% off your entire purchase. I think I'm gonna gift this to everyone in my life as well, because I think that everyone needs to have a jumbo statement letter of their own, because it's just perfect and you can wear this year round. Like, look at it on your bare skin. Like, imagine this in the summer or on vacation. I'm loving everything about it. And this chain is a jumbo box chain, which actually comes with an extender at the end, so you guys can wear it shorter or longer, whatever you choose. So yeah, I had to show you guys the package that I just received because of how exciting it is. And I can't wait for you guys to all receive your ice jumbo letter necklaces very soon. All of the pre-orders are being shipped out tomorrow, so stay tuned for tomorrow's Vlogmas video because I will be in the office with the girls filling orders and showing the full behind the scenes of how that looks. And I can't wait to put all of these in their boxes because I feel like it's really going to complete the whole look, and that's going to be very exciting. So now that we received the package, it's time to head back to my mom's. I wanted to get my nails done. I think I'm gonna go get my nails done because they're kind of chipping and very grown out. I'm probably gonna get the same color though because I really like how they look.